Knapsack's design token and theming capabilities allow teams to connect their brand decisions directly to styling implementation within their product, while also creating a collaborative management environment and dynamic documentation. Here we see our tokens and collection manager, where we have a variety of tools to inspect existing token collections, variables, and modes. We can manage these directly from the UI with the right permissions, mapping to other theme settings and variables and tokens, or setting individual values, whether it's a hex code for color or any of the other types of variables that we support. We also allow teams to import variables directly from Figma, where we find most teams have defined their collections today. Search for the Knapsack Figma plugin within the Figma community to connect your collections to Knapsack through your workspace. You'll also find here instructions for how to implement these styles, in this case in CSS. Knapsack automatically produces usable styles for CSS variables, as well as a variety of other syntaxes needed for web or native or mobile implementation of your styles, helping you unify your brand experience. Along the way, we'll create dynamic documentation, allowing teams to see and understand exactly what your system variables and tokens are today, and allowing you to build rich dynamic documentation that combines usage guidelines, visual guides, and dynamic links to exactly how your tokens are set and defined in your system today. When working with collections, Knapsack also allows you to define new themes and apply them to coded experiences in real time. If we inspect our prototyping interface, we'll see today we have a variety of different collections set up for density with cozy and compact, as well as for theme with multiple brands that each have a light and a dark mode. If I wanted to build a new theme, say for Knapsack, I can do that directly through Knapsack's UI. I'll go into our collections, in this case I'll go to theme, and I'm going to add a new mode, which allows me to choose which specific elements I'd like to overwrite. Got a color in here. And let's go ahead and drop in a logo. There we go. I should be able to get our logo in there. So just by defining a handful of new variables within Knapsack's UI, I can return to my prototype and see this new mode that I created, now with Knapsack's branding and colors throughout. This is all powered by your real production system, giving you an example of how you can build a UI using a new theme in record time. Of course, any changes that happen in Knapsack can be committed directly into Git, connecting the management and design workflow directly to the engineering workflows that are critical for delivering styles to your end users.